How to turn on or turn off play sound for keypad taps on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the more button. Then from the pop-up, tap on settings. Next, in the call settings, we go down and then tap on call alerts and ringtone. In here, scroll down and then tap on play sound for keypad taps. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now when I turn this on, you can see I go back to my keypad right here. And when I tap on the key, it will make a sound. This sound can be quite loud during nighttime, so if you want to turn it off, we can go back into settings. Then go down to call alerts and ringtone, and we're going to switch off keypad tap sound. Here, when I tap on the key now, this time it will not make the sound anymore. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.